Duratec engines timing chain cover replace, and now we are talking this part. And firstly I have to take out this crankshaft puller wheel. It is away and this bolt is tight, but when we have impact driver it is easy to open. And then I need to open these all 8mm bolts in here. 8mm socket, and I open like in, this is like 10 but this is 8, and in this way I open all of these 8mm bolts away and we look forward. But now I take this 10mm bolt next, and 10mm bolt, and this right belt puller wheel is free. Good. Okay, and then there are those 8mm bolts, and I open this in this way, and these bolts opens easily. They are not tight, there's only little bit force, and they looks like similar. And I continue this my opening in here. This is next one, that one, and then we go in this down area. There is this bolt. I open this down areas 4 bolts. This is first one, second, third and fourth. Good. I go in this side area, and there is next bolt is in here, little bit hidden in here. Next one is this one, and then in here, and then we go up area. Now we are in up area. This is next one, that one, and then in this central area there is 1, 2, those 2 bolts. Good. Okay, and then we have those 3 engine mounting bolts, and now I need 13mm socket, 1, 3, and let's open. And these are little bit bigger bolts, and they can be a little bit tight, and that's good impact driver or bigger socket and range is good. 3 big bolts, and then these bolts are free. So in here down area we have one 13mm bolt in that way, and now it's free. Okay, and now when all bolts are free, then I can start to take out this cover carefully, and I need now flathead screwdrivers that I can start to bend this cover out. And this job is good to start with old dull knife, and now purpose is to install in this side area in here very carefully. In that way it is my knife, and now we can see that this cover start to open really easily, very nicely. And there's really now nice cut, and then when I little bit move that, it seems that this cover opens really easily. Nice. And now we can see this cover, and when I start to take that out, I only carefully move that in this way, and now this cover opens. And note that there is one sensor cable in here what I need to open. These bolts, they are 8mm. Also I open those bolts next. There's really one this crankshaft sensor and this timing chain sensor, timing chain sensor. Now it's free, and now I can take this cover out.